in here?
I'm giving out sauce for free.
Free sauce? Who are you?
I'm JB Cuts, and I'm gonna show you how you can be better than barbering.
1, 2, 3, hit me!
What's the word, y'all? We back with another video. Got my cousin back up in here, you know what I'm saying? And we gonna get him right with the razor on the head shave. Alright, got a bald shave coming up, and I just wanna get into it and show y'all how we gonna do this properly. Alright, we gonna get his head prepared for this shave the right way. We gonna soften the follicles and the hair that's already on the head. Okay, we gonna use a shave gel, and we're gonna apply a hot towel. This is gonna prepare the skin and the hair for the razor, so we can get a nice smooth glide and it won't be catching or cause any cuts or irritations. See, we got the hot towel together. Had to shake it out because it was smoking a little bit. Gonna tuck that in there. We're gonna let that sit on there. Let it steam up. Trying to tell you, this how you get the best results for the shave, man. We want to make sure that everything goes smooth with the shave, and everything is safe and everything is sanitized. Alright, I'm going to wipe off all the excess gel just so I can make sure I can get a good grip with my thumb when I pull the skin, okay? And now I'm going to leave the towel since it's still hot on one side to keep it moisture. Okay, and then I'm going to grab my razor. Put the blade on a 30-degree angle, and I'm going to take short strokes, okay? And I'm going to move side to side, making sure I clear the area. I'm going to use it as if, like, you know how you cut grass? And when you cut grass, you start, you got a first initial line, and then you come back, and now you see where you ended the last line at, and I'm just going to keep following that pattern until I'm done. Okay, there are other things you can use to prepare for a shave. You can use oils, you can use shave cream, shave gels, and also a hot latherizer. It's another form of a shave cream. Okay, alright, you see I'm still taking them short strokes, okay, and I'm making sure I pull the skin behind with my thumb. And I'm gonna work from one side and work my way around. You see I'm focused, real light strokes. I'm using my fingers to balance on the head to make sure I got a steady position. Alright, now I'm gonna work my way over underneath that towel. I'm still going down, making sure I'm following the hair stream, the direction that the hair grows. Still using my fingers for balance. By the way, you need to check that beard out. That beard is crispy, it's hidden. Show for show, there's no enhancements added, no color added. Alright, I'm going to change my blade. I always like to use a fresh blade for the next half of the head. Alright, sometimes the blades dull out, and I don't want it to dull and start to catch and give me a hard time, so I'm going to make sure that I use a new blade so that everything is fresh and goes smooth. Don't want to hurt my client, you want to be very cautious. See, I'm taking them short strokes, and you can really see how the blade is on that angle, on that 30-degree angle. And you see every time I move down, I keep my thumb right behind it, consistently pulling the skin. You see I'm still working my way around, making sure that everything is clean. Yeah, now you see when I get by that area, I stop in a little shorter because I want to make sure I clean that up. And when I do that, I'm like super focused in that area, you know, and I want to make sure I use my finger to kind of pull the ear down so I know I won't nick the ear with the blade, because that blade is very sharp. Right now I'm just going back over and making sure I clean up, making sure I didn't miss any spots. See, I'm still using my fingers for balance. Got a nice grip on the razor holder. Alright, and then when it come down to razor holders, I suggest that you find something that's durable enough for you, heavy enough for you, light enough for you. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta find out what's perfect for you. Nothing is wrong in this sense, okay? Whatever makes you more comfortable, I should say. Okay, now you see how I made sure I did this whole shave in sections. I started on the right side, then went to the back right. And I started on the left and went to the back left, and then I hit the top and cleaned it out so I can make sure that I have all of the hair gone. Now I'm just doing a once over, making sure everything is clean, making sure everything is spiffy. Yeah, cuz do security. He be with a lot of celebrities, so I gotta make sure he clean, gotta make sure he crispy. You know what I'm saying? Presentation is a must. You know what I'm saying? He gotta be real well presented and well presentable around these people. You feel me? For sure, he came to the right place. JB Cuts. Alright, make sure y'all like, subscribe. Make sure y'all comment. Tell me what more y'all want to see. Make sure y'all stay tuned in. Make sure y'all click that notification bell so y'all can get all the notifications when I drop, because y'all got some heat coming. I'm trying to tell y'all I ain't forgot about y'all. Alright, I got my licenses, and I just want to make sure that you get your licenses. I want to be here for y'all, you know what I'm saying? It don't stop when I get mad, because there's more people that got to get there, you know? I got a passion for this, and I want to make sure y'all get what y'all need. You see me clean it up, for sure. And the beard, keeping it on a 30-degree angle. Once again, it's important that you keep it on that 30-degree angle. If you lift it up too much, you will slice. If you lay it down too much, you will stab. And we don't want to do neither. Alright, y'all. Check it out. Shave, bald head, crispy beard, line up. Get in tune. JB Cuts. You heard? Free sauce. Man, I definitely appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. For sure, for sure. I want to make sure y'all get this free sauce. Make sure y'all go in the comment section and tell me anything y'all would like to see. You know what I'm saying? Tell me how clean y'all think this cut is.